Hi friends, this is Auntie Heather from Art Explorium. We're going to do a fun art activity today. We're going to make origami bookmarks, and this is a great project to do any time of year. Here's an example that I made because Halloween's coming up, so I made a jack-o'-lantern, and I'm going to show you how to do something similar, but really you can make these any time of year. You could make animals, you could make Pokemon characters, you could make monsters, anything you want. So these are very versatile, and it's something that you can really have fun with and make lots of bookmarks. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we get started, let me show you what materials you're going to need. You're going to need a piece of square paper like this, and if you don't have a nice square sheet of paper, I'll show you how to make one. And you're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need some crayons, and you could use some glue if you want to add little scrap pieces of paper. So scrap paper is another thing that would be helpful. And if you need to, you might need a ruler to measure your square paper, but also I'll show you a little handy trick for getting a square piece of paper without a ruler. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you that trick for how to get yourself a square piece of paper when you only have a rectangle and you don't want to worry about measuring and all of that. You're going to take your rectangular piece of paper and take one corner, and you're going to bring it over and line it up with the other side of the paper as well as you can. So you're going to line it up like that, and then for this project you can push it down to make it lay flat. And then I have a pencil here. I'm just going to make a light line here to just sort of follow that line. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut along that line as well as I can to get me a square piece of paper. And this is a pretty big piece of paper, so you're going to have a kind of a big bookmark, but I think that's kind of fun because you can really have more room to play with it and make fun things with it. So with this bookmark, we today are going to make a Frankenstein for Halloween, but really you can make anything. So you have your square, and you're going to make it sort of a diamond facing away from you, and you're going to fold. You already have that crease from where you folded your paper before, and you're going to give it a nice fold and push down. And then you're going to take one corner here, and you're going to come up and line it up to this corner up here. And push down nice and hard. And then with this one, you're going to do the same. So come up here, line it up as best you can, and push down. And there you have that piece. Now we're going to open it back up again. And you're going to take this top corner, just one of them, so you'll still have one down here, and you're going to take it and push it down to here. And press your paper down. And then you're going to take your corner, you're going to tuck it under as well as you can. Again, just do your best. And you're going to tuck it under there as far deep as it can go and fold it under there. So there's one side, and then we're going to do the same with the other side. And as you can see, mine's not perfect, but it's okay. It'll still work. So I push that corner under, and there is your base of your bookmark. There you go. Now we're going to decorate it. So because I had a green sheet of paper, I decided to make a Frankenstein, but really you could use white paper and color it to make whatever you want, or if you have a color that you want to use, like if you want to make a black cat and you have black paper, great. If not, you can just use a white piece of paper and color it. I happen to have a green piece of paper, so I thought a Frankenstein would be fun, so I'm just going to start decorating it. So there's our Frankenstein. I also love cats, so I'm gonna try and make a cat bookmark. A kind of spooky Halloween cat for the upcoming Halloween holiday. And I know it's COVID, so that's gonna make our Halloween a little bit different than usual. So we'll try to have fun and be festive in other ways, right? So here we go on the cat. I only have white paper, so like I mentioned, I'm gonna have to color it black so that I can make a black cat for Halloween. But it's gonna be a fun one. So as you can see, we made 3 bookmarks today. One ended up being kind of a vampire cat. One is a jack-o'-lantern. And one is a Frankenstein. And let me show you how you can use these bookmarks now. So here's a book. And you open it up and say I want to mark this page. Then you're just going to use this little part of the bookmark. And you're going to slide it over that corner. And then it marks the page that you want to keep. So it looks really cute if you use something like this cat with the funny teeth, the vampire teeth, or if you make a funny mouth or teeth, because then it shows over right here, over the book, and it's not hidden behind the pages. So happy Halloween, everybody. But again, make these any time of year. You can make all kinds of crazy, fun, silly characters. So I hope you have fun and happy reading as well.